Ever grappled with the uphill battle of shedding those stubborn pounds? Well, the struggle ends now. Introducing the secret weapon in weight loss, cauliflower. You're probably wondering, a simple vegetable, a game changer? Really? Absolutely. Let's delve into the slimming properties of this humble veggie. First off, cauliflower is a low-calorie food superstar. A single cup of cauliflower holds a mere 25 calories. That's right, just 25. But the benefits don't stop there. This power-packed veggie is brimming with essential nutrients. Think vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate, all vital for your overall health and well-being. Now, get ready for the plot twist. The versatility of cauliflower is astounding. You can roast it, steam it, mash it, heck, you can even morph it into rice or a pizza crust. The culinary world is your oyster. Cauliflower makes a fantastic stand-in for high-calorie, carb-laden foods. Bid farewell to potatoes, rice, and pasta, and welcome delicious, guilt-free meals. Here's the clincher. Cauliflower helps you stay satiated longer, curbing those pesky cravings for unhealthy snacks. So what's the holdup? Add cauliflower to your meals and watch as the pounds effortlessly drop off. That wraps up our video. Do hit the subscribe button to be part of our health enthusiast community. Remember, a healthier version of you is just a cauliflower away. We hope you found this video helpful and enlightening. Now it's your turn to share. Tell us about your experiences with cauliflower. Have you discovered any creative ways to incorporate it into your meals? Or do you have a secret weight loss food that you swear by? Let's get the discussion rolling in the comments section below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We can't wait to hear from you.